Hey guys, how are you today? We have a Samsung A10e that we were going to do a charging port repair. This one's not charging, so it's pretty easy repair. The part costs like about like 10 bucks. Just kind of show you, we started kind of opening this up already a little bit, but all there's little clips that you're gonna unclip as you go all the way around. Just be careful about the home buttons under here. And you'll see that this will clip out. You'll pop this out. Okay, once that's open, you're just going to take apart. You're going to unscrew this. Take this more. Okay, this will come off, then this is going to come off right here, and then you're going to detach this cable right here very gently. You're going to detach these two cables here. Just pop those up gently, very gently. And then this is gonna come out. So you need a little, there's probably a little adhesive. This will pop out, okay? And then this will be like the new one that you'll install, okay? So we're gonna install this one here again. This was the new one we put in. We did the video here, but anyways, you're gonna put this back in here, okay? And you're gonna see that this one was actually broken. Inside here, there were some pins that were broken, okay? So this is the new one. This uses the new C-type charger. This is the Samsung Galaxy A10. So Samsung has come out with all these different cheaper model phones. Little ant. Shoot. I think I killed it. Let's connect this back here. Let's connect these little antenna wires back. Just very careful. Should probably screw this motherboard in place first. Should be a good idea. So it's not wobbly around too much. Okay, secure that in there. Let's get this. Make sure this little flex cable. So this is a pretty easy repair. Part costs like 10 bucks. You can charge somebody like 60 bucks for a few minutes of work. Okay, that's secured. Connect the charging port cable in there. Okay, now we're going to connect this. Make sure that's in there. Connect this back here. Make sure everything's lined up right. Squeeze down. And this doesn't take long. We won't pause or fast forward the video. And then these are like, when the S4s, S5s came, well, not the S5, S4, even the S6, I believe. Well, definitely the S4, you were able to just change the charging port flex or whatever you call it. Okay, it's back in place. Let's go ahead and put this back in. Make sure the corners are fine. Okay, let's put this back in here. Okay, let's make sure just gotta be real careful with this stuff. Snap it all in. This one's not going in. Man, you gotta be careful with these things, because something happens or something in there and you end up cracking a screen trying to make 50 bucks. Even though these screens aren't, well, I think these screens are kind of expensive. So I just want to I had a little issue right there a minute ago, but I figured maybe it would snap in. But let's just double check. Sometimes you're messing around and you get like a little screw goes in there from somewhere else. So let's take a look real quick. Let me hit pause for one. Okay, so let's take a look at what's going on. Make sure there's nothing inside there. Maybe the, oh, there we go, look. I didn't screw that all the way down. There we go. That would make sense. Okay. So it wasn't going all the way down. Let's try that again. There you go. That's snapping it nice. So it's always better to double check. There you go, see? Perfect. Alright, while we're putting this in, let's put this in the charger here. Okay, it's starting to charge. Yep. Yeah, 2%. Let's power it up. Is this going in the right way? Should be. Yep. Samsung Galaxy A10e. You can see it's going to come on and charge. There you go. Let's see it come on and charge. And it's charging. See that July 7th. The power comes on. Maybe it's power really low. There we go. There we go. Nice. Okay, you see it's charging now, 2% because it was completely dead. Alright guys, thank you very much. Please share, like, subscribe. Thank you for your support. Have a great day.